Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the exercise of chapter number 2, plants and their systems. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. First statement, which part of a plant absorbs water? Option A, flower. Option B, leaf. Option C, root. Option D, stem. The correct option is root. Statement number 2, what does the stem of a plant do? Option A, absorbs minerals. Option B, carries food up to the leaves. Option C, makes seed. Option D, supports the plant above the ground. The correct option is D, support the plant above the ground. Statement number 3, which of the following is not a plant organ? Option A, flower. Option B, pollen. Option C, root. Option D, stem. The correct option is B, pollen, because flower, root and stems are the organ of the plant. Statement number 4, what are vascular bundles made of? Option A, phloem only. Option B, xylem only. Option C, xylem and phloem. Option D, neither xylem nor phloem. The correct option is C, xylem and phloem. Statement number 5, the job of a root hairs is to, option A, increase the area of the roots. Option B, keeps the roots warm. Option C, protect the roots from damage. Option D, provide the roots with food. The correct option is A, increase the area of the roots. Question number 2, true or false? Statement number 1, an organism is something that is able to survive on its own. This is true statement. Statement number 2, xylem tissue carries water and minerals from the leaves to the roots of a plant. This is wrong statement. It is false, because xylem tissue carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves of the plant. Statement number 3, phloem is dead tissue, xylem is living tissue. This is also a false statement, because phloem is living tissue and xylem is dead tissue. Statement number 4, sugar solution can go up and down phloem at the same time. This is true statement. Statement number 5, a growing plant root tip is protected by a root cap. This is also a true statement. Question number 3, the diagrams show a stem and a root. This is the internal structure of the stem, and this is the internal structure of the root, and the various points are marked by A, B, C, D, and here D, E, F. Part 1, list the letters A to F and write the correct label along with each side from the words below. Some words may be used more than once. बेटा पार्ट्स क्या हैं? ग्रोइंग टिप, फ्लोएम, रूट कैप, रूट हेयर, वेस्कुलर बंडल, xylem. बेटा we can see that A denote this portion, and here from this to this portion, and this portion shows the vascular bundle. So here we have to write vascular bundle. B, this portion, and in this diagram the B indicates the xylem. Here we have to write xylem. C, it is the phloem that transport food prepared by the leaf by the process of photosynthesis to all parts of the plant body. Here we have to write phloem. D, this is the point D, and this indicates the root hairs that increase the area for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Here E is this point, and this point indicates the root cap that protects the growing root tip, and this F indicates the root tip. Growing cells are present at the root tip. Question number 3, part 2. Name 2 things that both roots and stems have. Beta, answer is both roots and stems have vascular bundle. Vascular bundles are composed of xylem and phloem. Question number 3, part 3. Which plant A carries water? Which part A carries water round the plant? The answer is xylem. Xylem is responsible for the conduction of water from the roots to the aerial part of the plant. Question number 3, part B, 3b. Which part carries sugar solution around the plant? The answer is phloem. Question number 3, part 3c. Which part absorbs water and minerals from the soil? Beta, root hairs absorb water and minerals from the soil. Question number 3, part 3d. Which part protects the growing root from damage? Beta, root cap protect the growing root from damage. सीधा नहीं हार. Thank you, beta.